Hi friends, welcome to Chandran video. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a IBM AIX machine and how to log in and how to create all the necessary informations regarding that. It's like a free of cost. We'll go to the video. We'll need to log in cloud.ibm.com. You have to create an account. Once it created the account, you have to log in IBM Cloud portal. So almost 10 to 15 years before, the IBM machine cost almost 50,000. My friends around all, we Bangalore to Chennai, he went and he purchased the old machines. It's very rare. It's very difficult to get it because the AIX admins, it's very few people so know that AIX experts, but it's not because of that lack of knowledge in that system no one will get it easily. Now we have a cloud portal which we can create a IBM AIX machine within few minutes. Let's see how we can create. This is IBM portal, cloud portal, and in this portal, if you go to catalog, search the peak. See, these are the course detail, which you can get the free course. Load balancing, code engine, all the course is free of cost. These servers, physical system, virtual server, power system. Here you can see like IBM scale out license score free for 3000, 3.144. This is enterprises 7,000 around. This is like 3,000. So IBM is giving $200 credit which we can use. In dashboard we can see like service, power system, virtual server, here I am going to create the instance. I'll give the name AIX, number of instance, how many instance you want to create, one instance, VM pinning none, SSH let it be. I will log in. If you want to, we can create later. Select AIX, give 4.01. You type 3, machine type is S922. I'll give 0.25, memory is 2 GB, create a volume, we'll create a letter, and a public network, yes, on. So the total cost of the AIX server 57.60 cents. That means we have a limited $200. Now I have $57.60, which is okay. I'm going to create an instance. Let's refresh if it is coming out. So it's showing the pop-up window, creating instance AIX server. Now there's a building is going on, build status is going on. Let's wait for a build to complete. Also we can check how much we can use, billing usage. I'm going to see this. Starting 11/1/2021 and 11/30/2020. Support plan 0. This support plan is included with your account at no cost. So we have only month to data spending 1144. This is below $200. Also we can give the spending notification, so payment, everything you can check it out here. Let's go refresh if build is completed or not. Now it is showing warning. Okay, let's try to reboot the machine. We'll try to restart the machine. There is some .4 is there, so I'm going to restart my machine now. The machine is restarting now. The restarting instance AIX. I'll try to open the console. Let me if first time if you are opening console with me, have to pop up, we have to enable it. Browser will block the pop-up. Add a click pop-up so that it will come. Choose the network type, Ethernet, auto, non-auto, server IP address, client IP address, gateway, boot TP request, retry attempt 1, 2, 3. There's some process going on. Now the system is booting up. If you click the AIX button, the full detail you will see here. What is the name of the server AIX, machine type, S922, boot image, what is the boot image, you can check uname -r, what is the version of that image, ID, core, VM pinning, data, size. So all the detail we can see here. You can see like operating system AIX. This is the IP address and the core 0.25 core, memory 2 GB. Still showing warning. It will take some time to active. It's taking some time. So as soon as the AIX server boot up, it will directly log into the shell prompt. Checking all the process successfully. Root is enabled, so paging space already active. Starting NFS service, buyout subsystem has started. So it will check all the process and it will start if it is necessary process. Multi-user initialization completed. So all this thing it will verify before as a normal physical server what it is doing, the same way we are going. It will just booting up. It is very difficult, to maintain, managing all the physical server in the sense. I still remember it was like a huge size. We have to maintain some separate place, room or something. Then we have to, for installing, we have to put some CD to burn the CD so that it will install. So how many times we can burn the CD? It is very difficult, right? So instead of, we can go to create the in cloud. Now it is changed everything in the cloud. So Linux, AWS, Linux, we can create a Linux OS. Similar way here, IBMcloud, we can create. If you want, you can create Linux also, or you can create a IBM AIX server. So you can go ahead, take the IP address of the external IP address. So you can log in via external IP address. Go to putty, root. What is the password? Okay, I'm going to appearance, will change. '16. Root at IP address. Okay, let's see if this host is up or not. In console, it's still booting up. It will take some time. Current volume is last day of HD1. Primary super block is valid. We're checking all the necessary information. Swap on paging space. HD6 is already active. Let me try if no, it will not. I have to wait for some more time. VM status is active, but health is status is warning. It will come to active after some time. Platform firewall unrecovered error, bypass with a loss of function. Refer to the system service documentation for more information. So after reboot, it came to the console login. I'll give root. Now I logged in without any password. First time it will log in without any password. It will not ask password first time. So I'm going to create a password. Root. Now I'll go to the putty. Root at external IP address. If you take the external IP address here, 135.90.72.51, this is the external way I'm going to use here putty. I am going to save it like a AIX server. So again, appearance can if you want you can change 60 old. Save it. Let's log in. Class first time, accept it. Now I logged in AIX machine. AIX. So 7.2. So these are my partitions. Yeah, the machine is now ready. It is showing active status. If I click the name AIX server, here it will come. These are the volume, network. She created the external network, external IP address, this one. And here I am going to create a volume like H disk. Some name you can give. Number of volume 10, each one 1 GB. So here it is showing that $1.2 for 10 GB, which is free tier below $200. Instance is $57. Now it is $158 around, which is a free tier. I'm going to use it AIX server. So now the volume is creating. Now all the 10 volumes is created here on the AIX server. Let's see. LSPV. Oh, what is that? Nothing is coming. What happened? What I have to do? How to run CFG MGR. Okay. Okay, now I have run the CFG MGR. Let's see how whether PV is now created or not. Okay, LSPV. Yes, I got it. All the 10 disk is now available on the AIX machine. Now I'm going to create a VG create. I'm going to create the volume group mkvg-y data vg -s 30 128 block size and physical partition size. Here I defined like 128 is a default. I'll take two devices like hard disk 1 hard disk 2. Using the two devices, I'm going to create the volume group. Now volume group is created. I'm going to create mklv -y data LV, what is the type, like JFS or JFS2. JFS2, if I select, it will create a large number of file system. There are a lot of new technology it is coming, like ext3, ext4. ext3 is a old one, ext4, XFS, like JFS2 file system I am going to create on data VG. Logical volume partition, or you can create like a 1G, or you can create like a data LV created, LS LV, LS LSLV, data LV. Okay. Create a file system. CRFS -v JFS2 -LV name -d test data LV, where you want to mount -m / data. So I'm going to create the file system, V for verbo version JFS2 file system, D for data LV, and M for mount point. Now the file system is created. df-g, okay, mount slash data. Now the data is mounted. Now my LV size is 1 GB. I'm going to extend LV extend, Linux LV extend. Here change the file system size, change file system size -a size +1, size equal to 1 GB. If you miss the plus option here, again you will get lost all the data. Even if it is 10 GB, it will come to 1 GB again. Plus 1 G, that means already I have 1 GB. Now I am going to add 1 more GB, so total 2 GB. I am going to, if I miss the slash, and it will be tough again. It will reduce 10 GB to 1 GB, or 32 GB to 1 GB, like that. Okay, what file system I want to increase, slash data, file system error. CHFS -a size equal to +1 G. I am getting error again. Let me try to block MB size CH, change file system. There are not enough free partitions. Okay, what is that? VG LSVG data VG so the total free only 5 pp. I will give 5 into pp size 128 megabyte. Okay, $640 MB. 128 into 5. $640 MB. Okay. CHFS-A size equal to plus 640 640 MB data. File system changed. So you have to check how much physical partition size is available. Free 5. So PP size equal to 128 MB. So 5 into 128 MB, 640 MB. You can maximum you can increase. If you want to increase more, again I will increase VG, extend VG. VG name, extend VG, data VG. So I'm going to add 3, 4, 5. Now ls VG, data VG. Now I have 21 in PP is there and PP size equal to 128. So 21 into 128 is 21 into 128 MB equal to 2688. Again I'm going to CreateAIX CHFS -A size equal to plus 2G data. File system changed. So now maximum 256 logical volume I can extend, and maximum physical maximum PV 32, that means normal VGR. If you want to change CH VG -B, VG name, not enough free physical partition exists on HDisk 1 for the expansion. Okay. Now I CD data, touch Oracle 130 file. I have Oracle file dot text. My Oracle data, something it is there, some data is there on this directory.